Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. If you're old, welcome back. So guys, it's almost spring and we are how many months to summer? I think 4 months. And I'm so excited. But for now, here is some outfits, spring outfit inspo. I don't have much clothes, so I'm only going to show you 5 outfits. I didn't do any shopping prior to this video, so I'm just using what I have. So sit back and enjoy this video. Spring, here we come. Let's go. Hold me till I scream and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, babe. That's it for this video. Don't forget to comment below which is your favorite look, and also check out my previous video where I showed you some winter look which can also be an inspo for the spring since the weather is too cold. I will see you on my next video. Bye.